So, hello guys. I will present to you the Module 2, Lesson 1, Designing Your Site. We have here overview, essential tools and steps to design a website. So, we have here key components. We have website builder, domain registrar, web hosting, SSL certificate, POS system, and SEO tools. So, we have web hosting. So, sa web hosting, require na siya for physical space. And that is what web hosting platforms do. Like mag-store siya of text, images, and database so that you can access them on the web. Then, we have here domain name. Domain name is is the address visitors see in their browser's bar when they search for you. Then mo na siya ang kuan. To avoid confusion, incorporate your name, and if it's not available, choose something close to it. Meaning, mag-register ka og name nga walay ka pareha sa imo para mas dali ka like kinik ba para mas dali ka ma-identify sa mga nag-visit sa imong website. So mao na siya. Then we have SSL certificate or secure sockets layer. So kani sa SSL certificate kung para niya sa business security and reputation and the safety of user. Muna sa safety sa user ka naman para ng information nila, mga data mo na sa kuha siya from SSL certificate service provider. So maka-help ni siya para maprotektahan ang mga mga privacy information may na. So we have here website builder. So sa website builder, sign up on a website builder to create your website without coding experience. Muna siya. Pwede ka diha maka-build o website na dili ta maka-code, without coding. Dagan po yung mga templates na with features na ma-customize nimo para ma-design ang imuhang pili nga website. So naapa dere SEO tools or search engine. So mao na siya ang pinaka-importante guys, ang SEO para dali yung ma-search, and pinakailangan niya siya sa ato ang web, ang search engine, kaya baka in case na sila mga pangitaonan, dali lang nila maka-search sila. So naatay POS system or point of sale system. So when is if you're offering service or selling product that require processing and accepting payments, so kailangan na to mag-incorporate sa POS service sa tuwang website. So mga siya guys. Then natay 9 step para mag-design sa website. Natay step 1, define the site purpose. So there is a define the site purpose. To design a website that yields expected result, then you'll need to define what you want from it. Consider why you're designing the website. Then kung kinsay mong audience na target nimo nga mo open ani nga website, then try kag downloads, sales, reservation, pindi sa mo or appointments book, engagement, or even a larger audience. It's crucial, crystal clear the purpose of the intended website. Knowing it will help you adapt the right content strategy and guide through choosing the right platform. Theme and page architecture. So, sa choose your platform, sa step 2 mo na siya ang pag once na note na nimo nganong i-build mo na website, pwede ka mag-check sa web builders, then pwede ka dito mag-DIY na tools dito na maka-help sa imo na mag-make og website by yourself lang. Then even you don't know any line of code, and there are those designed for specific purposes such as e-commerce, blogs, and portfolios. Also, website builders include customizations, customizable templates for adding text, image, and many take care of domain. Ayan na. Then, you can design your website yourself. So, choose one that suit the purpose of your site. So, step 3, gather your brand elements. So, the elements are details such as colors, fonts, and image that bring your website together. So, in designing your site, consider your brand's identity, meaning start with the color scheme, working with primary color and one or two complementary colors. Then choose a text style that aligns with your brand. For example, ang serif symbolizes formality and authority. Sans serif, modernism, and script creativity. Also, you can add image to capture the user's attention. Like mga makapakuan sa mata sa users na to. Then, make sure they are relevant and syempre high quality so they can make the right impression on users. So step 4 is kaning select a template or theme. Siya. Next is choose theme or template, which is the layout of your site, the way images, text, and buttons appear on your site. Themes are pre-designed layouts to help you design your site. Even as a beginner, most platforms come with a range of templates divided into two categories, and each category has built-in features relevant to a specific industry. So, preview them to choose one that's most relevant to your site. So, note lang that if you choose to build your website with WordPress, you will need to get web hosting from a third party hosting provider such as Bluehost, or Hostinger or Hostinger. So, you will be able to access your WordPress admin dashboard, maka-create kayo ng dashboard So, natay step 5, map out your site. Para mas easier ang design, you can visualize the page that will appear on your site and how they will link to each other. For example, knowing how many page will be on your site. Dapat kabalo ka sa mga content or pila jud imong pages na mga buhat. Then, the content, then the general layout means that you'll have a guide. Kailangan nyo ka-guide to work with when you start designing each part. So, step 6, design each site element. So, with your template or theme and website mo, the next step is to begin designing each site element, such as menu, na nato mga menu, o mga navigation, header or footer, na search bar, and any additional elements you want site to have using elements. So nata diri ang mga menu, header and footer, search bar, mga sa search bar, you can use a magnifying glass or a box, but place it in a prominent part of every pages. The top left or the top right corner is often the best. Ano siya guys. Then, even sa menu, mas niya, this element displays the items featured on your website. Make sure it accessible on every page. Means dapat ma-display siya. Mga only few items yung na. So, we have step 7 here. Customize your web page. So, there, your content depends on your site's purpose. Depende sa yung purpose. So, you can tweak it to suit you. However, every website should have the following web page. So, unsa tong following web page na tayo? Home page, product or service page, about page, blog page, contact page. So, we have 5 following. So, natay step 8. Sa step 8, dito na test and launch your website. Before your site goes live, test loading time. Kailangan mo testing naman kung functionable ba siya, and yung content nimo kung readability ba or o kanang mga mali ang mga spelling, may kanang mga link kung accessible ba ang link, mga contact information kung tama ba, yan mo na siya. Pero if kay mga family members, so you can give their feedback about your website design. If there are no issues, go ahead and publish your site. Also, keep updating your website based on its performance, trends, and current business operations. So, step 9, optimize your content. So, after designing and launching your website, you should plan to optimize your site for a smooth user experience. So, pwede mabuti ang mobile responsiveness, meaning most website templates are now mobile responsive. So, atong content formats to fit different screen size, however, to be on the safe side. So, dapat ang ang website is curate sa cellphone, sa laptop, sa mga dapat fit siya sa Safari, sa Google Chrome, sa iPhones, ug sa Android. So, mo na siyang dapat mobile responsive siya. Then, sa internet linking, mo na siya. So, internet links allows user and search engine tools to see you as an authority in your industry. They also keep people on your site. So, you can use hyperlinks, guys, then direct user to the other relevant web page. Pwede ka magbuhat og hyperlinks. Then, media optimization. So, the media optimization to prevent low ranking, higher bounce rates, lower click-throughs, and longer load times. Work on your media files. Make sure they are not too large and that you don't have too many photos or videos on each page. Also, feature only relevant images lang and videos. So, sa SEO, we have SEO. The last one involves tweaking content such as image, text, to increase the number of people on your website. Example of such optimization, actions are adding alt text to image and using readable URL. So, natay tools na pwede magamit pag-design sa website. We have website builders. Siya? You'll need a website builder such as Squarespace or Wix with features required to design the website you like. Then, a design tool such as Canva, is good for graphic design and photo editing. So, you can use Canva, guys. Then, we have kuan expert marketplace. So there are marketplace such as Fiverr and Upwork host several expert website designers who can help you design tasks. So natay logo makers. This tool is necessary if you're yet to design your business logo, mga business logo, and want if gusto ka alongside your website designing process. Example dere kanang logo maker and Adobe Express logo maker diha pwede ka makabuhat. Then sa photo apps, use photo apps such as stockphoto.com and Unsplash, and to find visually appearing images to go with your text. So conclusion is planning and using the right tools ensures success website launch. Apply SEO and constantly update the site for better user experience. So, thank you guys. Malang to. Bye.